that's it right there.
Now he's loading subsonics. These are 150 grain subsonics. I like it.
Not bad. She's got potential.
It's, you know, we got to figure it out a little bit better, but it's hard to beat a Ruger when it comes to this setup. We have a lot of these carbine 9mm. This is a very comfortable 9mm. I do love the takedown feature. Would have liked to have been able to get an optic on it, but that doesn't always work out. But yeah, that's a sweet little shooter. I like the trigger. I like the configuration. I think it's a win, but I'm pretty partial to Rugers anyway.
Yeah, I like the Odin.
I love the color.
You got ambidextrous the bolt charging and the ambidextrous mag release.
See, I don't agree that they're catering to the left-handers.
It's because you're racist.
Not racist. Prejudice against left-handers.
Discriminatory.
Prejudice against left-handers.
Wrong-handers, as they call us.
Very cool. Not too bad for open sights.